What's going on, FMFAM? Look, we have...
What's going on, guys? Whack my sack here.
Look, we have another heavy line job. We just got done doing the head gaskets on the other vehicle. So we're gonna do another transmission right there. Y'all see that transmission case? Yeah, we got another transmission lined up. This one was actually is Crazy's, but he ended up getting sick, so they gave it to the Trans King to get it done. Now, let's see how far we could get tonight. I just received my parts, and yeah. By the way, this video is only going to be a transmission subframe and transmission assembly removal and installation. Hopefully we could get this all done tonight. As far as I already got the exhaust off and all the stuff up top, I've already got that taken care of. So yeah, subframe removal, transmission removal, transmission installation, subframe installation. Let's get it.
Nobody stopping me.
Fresh off the freezer. Man, look at that. Ice crystals. Ooh, slush.
Let's get it, dude.
Yeah.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Almost forgot. We got control arms on this and a front motor mount.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I started to do. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin.
Alright guys, I got to a point where I'm fine to stop. Been a long day. Had to finish up those head gaskets, and then I brought this in, started working on it. As you see, got to my goal, got the subframe up, transmissions in. That way tomorrow I just put the exhaust on, and bolt the stuff up on top, the battery tray and stuff, and the rest of the 116 and 218s that are up there for the bell housing. All right guys, well, if you want, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, turn the post notification bells on, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll get the hell out of here. Remember, there's videos right here for y'all. Subscribe right there.
Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view.